Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to return Amazon orders. So if you want to return something from Amazon, the first thing that you need to do is to open Amazon page, and then you need to go to this section, returns and orders. So click on it, and from here you will see all the items and orders that you have ordered. So you need to see the item that you want to return, and from here you need to click on return or replace item. Also, as you see from here, you can choose multiple items to return, so it's more convenient to return multiple items than returning one item if you have ordered multiple stuff. So you can choose the items that you want to return from here. So after you do that, you need to choose why you want to return this item. So you need to choose why you want to return it, like bought by mistake, wrong item was sent, or any other issue. After you choose why you want to return it, now from here you can tell them if the item is still in the package or not. So if it's still in the package, you can click on yes. After that, from here you can add a comment, like you can tell them more information about the item and why you returned it. Now you need to hit on continue from here. After that, from here you will have more than one option. So you can let them refund you to your Visa card, or you can let them replace with the exact same item, refund to your Amazon account balance, or exchange for an item of your choice. So you can choose whatever you want from here and click on continue. So after you click on refund, so now you can choose the way that you want to return your item. So you can choose any of these ways and then click on confirm your return. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.